Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, we are bringing you the next episode. I think this is episode 7 now of the Road to 1K challenge, starting with $5,000 in a wallet address and building that up to as much passive income per day as possible. The goal is 1K per day. It's going to take a long time to get there with only starting with $5,000. However, I've done it before and managed to achieve way more than $1,000 a day in one of my in the bull run in my personal wallet. But with that being said, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your research and be very careful about where you're investing in crypto DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. And we've had some updates over the last few days, which I wanted to go over today. So with that being said, smash the like, subscribe down below if you are new, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. With that being said, let's go and jump into it. So as you can see, the wallet balance is currently set at $4,442. Now you're probably thinking, Jack, what's going on? You're down 15% since yesterday. And that is correct because I've made some investments. You can also see our USDC balance is now at $1,037. That means we have claimed $1,037 in passive income since starting the challenge. You can see we still have $685 of USDT, which is referral rewards from PGV, which I'm still doing giveaways of. So drop me a DM or tweet me your BUSD wallet address. Your BSC wallet address for USDT, and I'm going to be airdropping some of you some of this money. And Optimus is down massively. We put $1,000 into this, and as you can see, it is down pretty hefty because of just everything is going with Optimus, which we'll discuss in another video. BUSD, we're only set at 108 right now, and that was over 1,000 the other day. So I made some other investments the other day, and you can probably tell by this token here that we have mass. We currently have $63 worth of that. So we did go ahead and make an investment in Momentum, as well as another project which is quite new here as well. So if we take a look at the history, you can see that we've been claiming some of this mass here. We claimed our Unico yesterday as well. As you can see here, we swapped that for USDC. And let's see what else we have going on. This is referrals just from my premium group for another project that we went into. And on this one, that's where we done our claim for PGV yesterday as well. So if we go into, actually, where was this 400? Okay, yeah, this was a project that I did go ahead and deposit into. It was $450 into this project that I put in. I done a test deposit of 50 and another deposit of 400, and then we also put 400 into mass. So those have been the most recent updates, and then as you can see, past that point, we did nothing since the 13th. We did nothing since the 8th. So let's go ahead and see how everything's doing. So first things first, going to be PGV. Let's go and do this because I'm actually recording from my MacBook screen today instead of the big monitor that I have. So as you can see, we have $2,000 in here. Let's give this a refresh. We're making about $40 a day in here. And you can see we've got 6 days and 2 hours and 45 minutes to claim because I did go ahead and make that withdrawal yesterday. So if we take a look at the contract, we can see they currently have $3.625 million in here. I'm not too sure if it still displays the total deposits. I don't think it does anymore, but yeah, we must be climbing up maybe almost to 15 million total deposits now in PGV, which is absolutely insane. And some other news for PGV that they've recently announced, I believe it was over the weekend or back end of last week, is on January 1st, I believe it is, they are stopping deposit for new users. So on January 1st, no new people can come into the project. People with already money in here, you're going to be fine. You're in the project. It's all good. However, people that aren't in the project before January 1st can no longer get in. So if you want to get in with PGV, I'll leave my referral link in the description down below. It really does help out this series and this channel if you do use it. Again, it's not needed. However, if you do, I'm going to be giving away some of the referral rewards back to you guys through Twitter. So go and follow me over on there and drop me a tweet with your BSC address. And the reason I started doing these giveaways with comments and then YouTube started deleting the comments with wallet addresses in it's one of their new spam filters that they're doing, so it's fair enough. So yeah, guys, pretty awesome stuff. Now the reason this is good news, you're probably thinking, how's this bullish? It won't let any new money come in. Well, it's good news because it'll be interesting to see if they can actually sustain the up to 2% daily payouts with only the money that's in the contract. So if you didn't know, PGV, what they do is they take 75% of all of the money that's in the contract address or all the total deposits, and they withdraw that for trading. Okay, and and the liquidity and whatever else they're doing to generate the returns. And then when they have made money, they pump that back into the contract to then pay out. So this money is free to use. This is, essentially the money that's free to use to compound and compound, withdraw, and all that good stuff in the project. And the rest of the 75% of the money is currently being actively traded and actively earning income for us. So pretty cool stuff. So yeah, that's the first one. PGV doing very well. And it'll be interesting to see if they can sustain that 2% a day, or up to 2% a day with their liquidity, with their trading and stuff when they do shut up shop for new investors. Now, the project is not closing down. It's just not allowing new users to come in, which could be an interesting experiment. So if you wanted to join, there'll be a link in the description down below. Okay. Next one, Unico. Now, I'm not a massive fan of Unico at the moment. It hasn't been doing too well for us. Let's zoom out again. I always zoom in on my big widescreen. I've got like a 5K 40, I think it's a 40-inch wide, ultra wide monitor, so that's why I have to zoom in on there. But yeah, you can see our total balance is 780. I think I put in like $1,000 in here, so yeah, not going too well. I took profits less than 24 hours ago, so we have nothing there to take yet. As you can see, daily take profit, nothing at the moment, because again, it was less than 24 hours ago I did it. So the price chart, as you can see, it slowly did decline. Then we had this little boost, and now it's declining again. Because once again, people aren't going to be jumping in here. Once they have their initial bag, they're not really going to be buying more. They're just going to be taking their daily, coming over to the swap, okay, and then just trading everything for BUSD, and then just getting out of the Unico token, which obviously hurts the project. So it is what it is. I should have seen it coming, but it's a cool little project to experiment with, and at least we're still getting some passive income here every single day. Okay. Now, next one is Optimus. Now, once again, Optimus is down massively. As you can see, they're currently at 57 cents. Now, I don't want to FUD Optimus. I don't want to FUD anything, or I'll give my opinion, though. I personally think that the bots can't scale this much money that they have in here. Okay, they've been having some issues. I know the bridge is supposed to come, but again, all of that's up in the air. A lot of whales dumped and sold because of truth seekers and other projects that are coming out. People wanted to move some money elsewhere, which is completely fine. So yeah, I don't know about Optimus at the moment. As you can see, our bag is now down to $500. I put 1,000 in here. This was up to 1,300 at one point, so we're down pretty heavily. I'm probably gonna keep holding for a bit. If this goes below like 450, I'll probably cash out and use that BUSD for something else. But this is all part of the journey, guys. This is all part of the journey. I'm not a wizard. I can't tell. I don't know what a project's gonna do in 2 months from now, 3 months from now, 2 weeks from now. I can only follow the signs from the experience that I've had. And when I jumped into Optimus on BSC, there was no bad signs. Okay, again, I'm not an expert. I'm just someone that does DeFi and is here for the journey and has been doing this for a few years. And yeah, so that's me. But yeah, still earning $5 a day. It is what it is. You know what? Let's go and sell our $5 worth of US Optimus here for the day. So we'll go and sell that for BUSD, and that's going to be $5 worth. Let's go and turn this volume down so you don't hear that feedback through the mic. So yeah, we're going to sell $5 worth of BUSD here. Confirm that, and then we'll swap, and then we'll go swap 5 BUSD for 5 USDC. Now, again, this is the thing as well. A lot of people, what they do is when they're starting with a few $1,000, they probably won't care about $5. They won't mess around with $5 because of gas fees and everything. But a gas fee, let's see how much this is going to cost me. It's going to cost me 20 cents to convert $5. Always make sure you're protecting the smaller stuff, especially if you're newer in your journey. Don't write off $5 a day because it all adds up. This compounds. If you want to keep compounding that, great, do that. But you want to make sure that you are still taking the small stuff. So I'm now going to go and swap this $5 for USDC. Again, it adds up to this journey. And there we go. The next one. This is one of the projects that I went into. It's called Alpha Capital. Okay, let's go ahead and log in here. We want to log in with this wallet. Okay. And as you can see, if we go over to stake, I am currently making BUSD here. Currently making $5.21 a day. I put in $450. There is a deposit fee. But essentially what these guys do is they are a trading bot. Okay, they're a trading bot, and as you can see, they don't offer a daily percentage. They don't offer a daily percentage on a fixed daily percent. If we take a look at when they launched, they've done 1.48, 1.6, 1.434, 1.48, 1.27. Let's see here, 0.8, 1.2, and today is 1.17%. So as you can see, if we go over to stake, it will give you an average. So it's saying profits per day average since they started was 1.22% per day. So what they're doing is they are going ahead and they are trading. Okay, now if we go and take a look at the contract address, they currently only have 60,000 in here. Now they had way over 100,000 in this yesterday, 150k. But similar to what PGV do with taking money out of the contract, these guys have to do the same thing. Okay, they have to go ahead and take money out of the contract to then trade with their bots, their algorithmic stuff, and their arbitraging bots. And then when that makes money, they then pump the money back into the contract, and they go ahead and pump this balance up. Now, if you go into their Telegram channel, you can also see all of the transparency in there. So click on Telegram and you can see all the transparency. You know, they say that they said this morning that they went ahead and took the 100k out to trade with and all that good stuff, and they post proof of everything, which is great. And they also show trading results, which is good. Now, another thing that's pretty cool, if we go over to, can we go to just alphacapital.app? Let's see if we can do that. Alphacapital.app. Let's see if we can. Okay, cool, we can. So invest in high-performing crypto portfolios designed by industry veterans in one click. Connect your wallet and get access to elite crypto trading strategies. So I want to give a shout out to a good friend in the space, Murdoch. Murdoch did make a video on this and made a video, and I was interested and deposited yesterday. So as you can see, there's currently $325,000 deposited in the contract. Now they have a deposit limit of 1.05 million. Now what this means is once there's $1.05 million in total deposited, no more money can come into the project, because again, that's how much the bots can handle. Now, whether or not they'll go and increase that as they increase their position sizes, as they increase the leverage or whatever it is, or decrease the leverage, sorry, they might increase this. But again, I haven't done too much research. So why Alpha Capital is better: state-of-the-art quant trading strategies, extra layer of protection, invest on your own terms. We aim for sustainability and predictability. As seen on, they've got a bunch of articles here: Yahoo Finance, Market Watch, Decisions, Seeking Alpha, and you can go ahead and take a look at these. Articles, right? Which is pretty cool. So your rewards issued daily and added to your account in the asset of your choice, and from the moment you redeposit them, your rewards will start earning daily too. So how to invest in Alpha Capital? Alpha Capital operates on the BNB chain and Polygon network. So they are on Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. To interact with a contract, you need to enter the app through mobile or desktop, connect your wallet, and you're ready to invest. Going to take your initial funds back. So once your deposit is preferred asset, the bots start trading your funds and generated daily returns for you. If at any point, even after 1 hour, you decide to opt out, you can do that immediately. If you decide early in 31 days, you only get your principal back without the profits. So this is awesome. There is no lockup with your deposits. Okay. Now, again, there is a 31-day, not lockup, but there's a 31-day sort of period where if you wanted to take money out and you haven't claimed your rewards, then it will essentially go ahead and take your rewards that you've earned and, subtract that from your initial deposit, and you'll get that back. So that's pretty cool. There is a 5% management fee, which is fine. You're going to make that back within a week, less than a week. So they do use our proprietary insurance model. Alpha Capital automatically holds onto a proportion of every profitable trading day to build the insurance fund, which could eventually cover more than 100% of every user's investment. Everyone is entitled to a portion of the insurance fund. So that's pretty cool. They do have an insurance fund as well. I believe it has like $5,000 in it or something at the moment, which isn't a huge amount. However, they are a pretty new project. So every single day, they're basically putting a percentage of the daily profits from the bots, and they are going ahead and putting it into that insurance fund in case anything goes south with the trades or whatever. So this is pretty awesome. So if we go down here, I can go ahead and if I go to stake, I can go and withdraw these deposits whenever I like. Okay, I can just click withdraw, and you can see there's a 16-cent gas fee, and it will give me my money back. This 30 days is to get this back without losing these rewards. So I would lose $4.70 in total because of that's what I've made in rewards minus the $427-ish. So there is an earnings calculator on here. You can see this is what I have here. If you reinvest everything for 1 month, I'm going to have $580. So I actually I've gone, $500 on the 5K challenge, and I've also gone in for a few thousand on my main wallet as well, one of my main wallets. You can see we're making $5.21 per day on this wallet. We have $4.07 to claim, which I'm just going to let that stack up and then claim it. I'm not going to compound it. I'm just going to claim it every day. Yeah, that's my plan. So pretty awesome stuff. If you want to join Alpha Capital, there is a referral link in the description below as well. Again, I am going to go ahead and do referrals, giveaway, sorry, with these referral rewards. So I get 2.5% of all deposits. And yeah, you can go ahead and stake with a bunch of different assets if you're interested. Again, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research, of course. But you can go and stake with BNB, BUSD, Matic, or USDC on Polygon as well. And as you can see, if you take a look at the deposit limit, you'll see this all adds up to about 250k, because they want to have $1 million in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That adds up to $200 million in total. Okay, here's the total deposit. Here's the limit. So you've got some time here to go and make your deposit. So the most of the deposits are in BUSD, and I like BUSD just because I'm putting in dollars and I'm getting out dollars every day, which is pretty cool. So FAQ, how to invest. Can I take my initial funds? Can I make multiple deposits? Yes, you can make multiple deposits. Is my deposit protected? Where can I find support? Telegram. And can you use it on your mobile? Yes, you can. Anywhere that has a wallet. However, I would recommend you do it on a computer. But that's that. Okay. The final project is going to be Momentum. So Momentum. I think it's Momentum Finance.app. Momentum Finance.app. Let's have a look. Pretty sure. No, it's not. What is the... I don't even know the URL for this. That's kind of embarrassing. But anyway, I put money into Momentum. Maybe like, I think I put $400 into a 7-day bond. And I'm continuing to claim from that every day. And BUSD distributions. I'm not selling my mass tokens yet. This is just over the past 24 hours or so that I claimed. So I put 400 in here. And I put 450 into... and I put 450 into Alpha Capital, which I showed you. And then we have $108 to play with, which I think I might just chuck in a DGen project and see what we can do, but I'm going to keep that there for now. So guys, that is it for the video. Momentum have also gone ahead and launched they've launched their new sort of trading bots, and they're called Singularities. They've got trading bots and a bunch of other stuff going on. They're investing in Ethereum nodes, they're investing in AVAX nodes, and a few other things, which is pretty cool stuff as well. I'll have more information on that in the next video once I have sort of unstaked some more of my rewards. I'll show you some of the USD distributions I've earned and all that good stuff. I also went into Momentum with $3,000 on one of my main wallets as well. Through 1,250 of that was in a 14-day bond, because you also get 20% more mass tokens. And then I put $1,250 into a 7-day bond. This is my main wallet, by the way, which gets you it just avoids the tax. So you can just go ahead and buy the mass token, but there is a 15% buy tax when you do that. However, if you go into a 7-day bond, it completely wipes out that tax, and the token just unvest over a 7-day period. And on a 14-day bond, the same thing happens. You avoid tax. It vests over a 14-day period. However, you get 20% more tokens for your money, which is pretty cool stuff. So again, I'll have more information on that in my next video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're enjoying this series, make sure to drop a like. Let me know down below what you think of my new choices with Momentum and Alpha Capital. If you want to join Alpha and PGV, again, links will be in the description. Always do your research. I'm not a financial advisor. I will be doing giveaways, and I am doing giveaways of the referral reward. So drop me a DM or tweet me your wallet address to get entered into that giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.